Warning, this is going to be a little bit corny. So I learned a new word that I'm really excited about. So when's the last time that you read, learned a new word, and got excited about it, right? I read this book by Justin Michael called Attraction Selling. It mentions this word, and here it is, pronoia. Have you ever heard of it? I hadn't before this book. And here's what it means, very briefly. The universe is conspiring to help you. As opposed to paranoia, right? When you think everybody is out to get you, the whole world is out to get you. The old, if I didn't have bad luck, I wouldn't have any luck at all. Well, this is the opposite, the complete polar opposite. Pronoia. The world is out to help me. The universe is conspiring to help me. And so I read this book about 2 months ago, and I can't stop thinking about the word. And think about, in the restoration business, two very different approaches to the same type of situation, or two different mindsets, right? Well, one of my clients just had a long-term, really important to the business person resign. They gave notice, they've moved on. And I can think of two very different types of people in terms of mindset and how they would handle that. One would be, the world is coming to an end. The business is like, what? This is terrible. What's going to happen? My life is going to be terrible because of this result. And, of course, this always happens to me. I should have never put so much trust and responsibility into one person because, look at what happened. That's one. So somebody with the pronoia mindset would come about this in a totally different way. Say, you know what? That's okay. I think the timing is right. I think there are opportunities for us to get stronger, to get better, to give people on the team more responsibility who have been, showing that they want it and they're able to handle it. This is a good thing. And it's going to be a little bump in the road, but I truly believe that this is a good thing and that the universe is conspiring to help me. I might not know exactly how, but that's what's going on, right? To really have that belief. What a great mindset that is, right? So think about this word, pronoia. Maybe do a couple Google searches and see what you can find. And think about when you're going through something tough. Which mindset? Are you taking the mindset of course, like this kind of thing always happens to me, and, or are you taking the approach of, you know what, this is for a reason. I'm going to make the best of this. I know the world, the universe has my back. I'm not, this is kind of a woo-woo topic for me. But I really do believe that mindset is such a critical factor in how we live our day-to-day lives and how successful we are and how happy we are. So think about pronoia, and if you have a chance, if you've got a reading list, I would definitely add, really, if you're in sales or if you have an interest in sales, I would add Justin Michael's trilogy of Sales Superpowers 1, 2, and 3. And 3 is the one that I read first. It's called Attraction Selling. I would add those to your list. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.